Hi everyone! Want to grow your business or brand using Threads in 2025? Here's how smart marketers are turning Threads into a lead gen machine. Let's get started. So, number one, you need to be the face of your brand. People follow people, not logos. So, post as yourself, not just your business. Share behind the scenes, stories, and lessons learned. And here you can educate, not just sell. Give a value first. Break down the tips, myth, or how to related to your niche, like this example here. And you can use a threads to start conversation. You can ask relatable, bold, or curiosity-driven questions. This drives replies. It equals to algorithm boost. And repurpose and redirect traffic. Post a thread, then screenshot and share it to your IG stories or LinkedIn. And add CTA like a full drop. And use a threads to funnel followers to your newsletters, shop, or website. And build a posting strategy. Post 1 to 3 times a day, one value drop, one thought or story, and one engagement question. Schedule content using Meta's tools or apps like a buffer. And also use a threads to test hooks, offers, or lead magnets before launching. If it gets reply, you know it resonates because marketing is equals to attention plus testing. And threads doesn't isn't just for fun. It's a free business tool in 2025. Start showing up consistently and you'll start seeing a real result. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.